DJ, entrepreneur, and art influencer popularly known as the Philippines Sneaker King. His collection of designer and ultra-rare sneakers includes Yeezys, Jordans, Balenciagas, and countless other limited edition pairs of footwear. He is also the founder of the prestigious Secret Fresh Art Gallery, as well as the Riff Streetwear and Apparel Store, both of which he opened in the Roanoke Arts Center of San Juan City. He has shared rare unboxing videos and footage of his attendance to special events like Uratex World Sleep Day and Sneaker Can See on his Bigboy 6799 YouTube channel. He has shared that, as of the year 2023, he has collected more than 20,000 individual pairs of shoes throughout his lifetime. His shoe collection has been valued at more than $1 million. He has been profiled by Spin.ph, Avantardi, the South China Morning Post, Philstar, and many other news outlets. He started collecting sneakers as a child. He was first influenced by his sister, who was a basketball fanatic, and adored shoes by Converse and Diadora. Throughout his youth, his passion for collecting also expanded to include toys, sports cards, action figures, and more. His real name is Christian Cheng. He has stated that he grew up in a sport-loving family. He initially got into collecting sneakers by his sister. His mother, Natividad Y. Cheng, is the founder of Uratex, the largest producer of mattresses and other foam products throughout the entire Philippines. He and his wife are the parents of 2 sons. He has expressed that pop artist Takashi Murakami is one of his favorite artists. One of the rarest installments in his shoe collection is the Nike Mag Back to the Future self-lacing sneakers, which were originally worn in the film by Marty McFly, who was portrayed by Michael J. Fox. How did Bigboy Cheng build a $1 million United States dollars trainer collection? The Philippines Sneaker King and Instagram darling even owns the Dior X Nike Air Jordan 1 and Nike Mag Back to the Future self-lacing shoes. Christian Bigboy Cheng loves luxury brands like Louis Vuitton and Balenciaga, who even invited him on a trip to Paris. But he also champions local creatives through his gallery, Secret Fresh. The Scion of Uratex, the Philippines' biggest mattress producer, Cheng owns fashion brand Riff and charms his YouTube and Instagram followers with off-the-wall food reviews. The stereotypical picture of a successful businessman might be a well-heeled guy in a stylish suit taking calls from his Bluetooth earpiece. Christian Bigboy Cheng, however, is more likely to be spotted in a hoodie, sweatpants, and trainers. But make no mistake, his everyday outfit probably costs more than your car. After all, he isn't called the Philippines Sneaker King for nothing. From Yeezys to Jordans to Balenciagas, Cheng has it all. He owns more than 700 pairs, and by current prices, his sneaker collection has a reported estimated worth of over $1 million United States dollars. Cheng's trainer collection is just one aspect of his hobby-turned-business empire. He is the scion of the family behind the Uratex group of companies, the country's largest producer of foam products and mattresses. Founded by his mum Natividad Cheng in 1968, Uratex is one of the biggest conglomerates in the Philippines and has over 20 plants and showrooms nationwide. Aside from being involved in Uratex, Cheng also has several businesses of his own, including one of the country's top art galleries, Secret Fresh, which holds exhibitions of luminaries such as Benedicto Bencab Cabrera, who was named National Artist of the Philippines for visual arts painting in 2006. Here, Cheng also holds auctions for art pieces that range anywhere from a couple of thousands of dollars to as much as 1 million United States dollars. He also has a high-end streetwear and apparel store. Riff, both Secret Fresh and Riff are located inside his building, Uratex Arts Center in San Juan City. Despite Cheng's love of global brands like Supreme, Louis Vuitton, and Balenciaga, who treated him to an all-expenses-paid 3-day luxury trip to Paris back in 2019, he recognizes the importance of local creative talent too. Through Secret Fresh, he's done collaborations with local artists to help them gain more exposure and recognition. The pandemic has also allowed Cheng to focus on his burgeoning social media presence. He already has more than 230,000 subscribers on YouTube and Instagram, which has brands scrambling to get featured in his unique, against-the-grain food reviews. But despite wearing so many hats, Cheng is still best known for his trainer collection. How could he not, when he even nabbed a D or X Nike Air Jordan 1 for a whopping 17,000 United States dollars before it was commercially released? He also has the ultra-rare Nike Magback to the Future self-lacing trainers, of which only 89 pairs were made and are now estimated to be worth around 26,000 United States dollars. And this is just scratching the surface of his collection. At first glance, all this may appear like another show-off way to splash his wealth. But it actually might be a sly business move. After all, the trainer reselling market is estimated to be worth 30 billion United States dollars by 2030. Sneaker king, indeed. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.